Very good afternoon, all of you, and I'm sorry for late. Today is Sunday, and it's a odd time. So I was busy in kitchen. After that, I took my bath and all. Then I came here for you. I hope all of you are fine. And today your target is software testing. Yesterday we did the testing, and today's target is white box testing and black box testing. Very important, white box testing. First of all, we will do white box testing. That is, under the white box testing there is statement coverage, branch coverage, path coverage. These all the types of testing we are going to do now, and you are going to learn everything very clearly. Everything will be very clear to you. All the testing we will do, and the cyclomatic complexity also, completely everything we will do now. So all are ready for that, to learn the white box testing, statement coverage, branch coverage and path coverage. Everyone is ready? I hope so. Yes. So let's start without wasting time. I can see everyone, all of you are present here. Yes. What happened? I am live, right? I am live, right? Yes. All are ready. Yes. Very good. दीपा, I can see everyone. Just roll call हो जाए एक बार, roll कर those. You completed? What was there in lunch? Sunday special lunch you prepared? Sunday special lunch. Good evening, Deepa, Gomathi, Bhavani, Ramaya, Ammu, Divya, Sathya, Viji, Gate Easy, Sri, Lekka, Deepa, Madhumita, AJB, Sobia, Usha, Vishwapriya, Jivita, Kaveri, Rashmi, Gayatri, Selvi, all are present. Yes. So what was there in Sunday special lunch? You did Sunday special lunch? Yes. Nothing special as usual. Why? Our Sunday to always there should be. I prepare today 3 to 4 dishes. Four always. Always 4 dishes, 3 dishes. I have to prepare Sunday special. Okay, chalo. So here let's start. Good afternoon. Here Karthika. So here in as yesterday we discussed in white box testing. I am fine. Fish মাছের ঝোল ভাত. Today I prepare রুই মাছের ঝোল ভাত. রুই মাছের ঝোল, শাক, সবজি. Do you know? বাঙালিরা রুই মাছের ঝোল, মেথি শাক, তারপর কাকরোল. These are our dishes. So here let's start the statement coverage. That is in white box testing. White box chicken, acha, very good. White box testing. Rohito rui mach. Okay, good. So white box is focusing on লাল শাক, রুই মাছ, ডাঁটা শাক, বাহ, ভোলা মাছ, অনেক কিছু আছে, বাহ, ভেরি গুড. চলো let's start. I am planning one thing. That's it. That's it. That as today is Sunday. That's why I'm telling you. You can follow me in Unify Study Lifestyle. Okay, Unify Lifestyle. Unify Study, not Unify Lifestyle. This is our another channel. For a long time, I am not going. I'm not uploading videos there. But I am planning that, yes, in Unify Lifestyle, those who are interested about our lifestyle, how we are managing, how I am managing, how my day is going on, and what is going on in our family, like a blogging. If you are interested for the blogging of Priyanka ma'am channel, so here are my daughter, and all in family member, whatever we are doing. Previously, I was uploading for some days. I was not getting time, but I will start again. So you can join here, Unify Lifestyle. This is our channel, so you can join there, and you can subscribe to that channel also. Okay, so I am sending link here. All of you, those who are new, you can follow that. Yes, I got the link. Here is the link. Those who are interested, you can follow our this channel. This is our blogging channel. Okay, here you can see what are going on in our family. What is going on in our family, you can get here. Okay, chalo. Here now focus on study, everyone. White box testing means it is focusing on code. So code means what? Code means here I have to how the code is working. For that, first of all, for doing statement coverage, branch coverage, path coverage, you need to know how to draw the flow graph. Very important. How to draw the flow graph, that is very important. If you don't know that how to draw the flow graph, then you cannot do statement coverage, branch coverage, and path coverage. Drawing flow graph, understanding flow graph is very important for cyclomatic complexity also, statement coverage also, branch coverage also, and path coverage also. So to draw the flow graph means from the coding, from the programming, whenever there is the programming, from the programming you have to convert the programming into flow graph. You have to convert the programming into flow graph. How you can convert the programming into flow graph? Like these are called nodes. Okay, these are called nodes, and this is the edge, and here another nodes. So here are some notation I am telling you. These are the notation. Sequence means whenever it is starting, this is the start node and this is end node, means one by one. First I will take input. After taking input, I am doing something. So take input, it is a first step, and then after that I am doing something, that is a second step. So this is called sequence. When I am doing while loop, how we are writing while loop? While some condition is there, if the condition is true, then you are going to execute it. If the condition is false, then it will come out, right? That is going on. So you can see this is the while condition. Here is the while condition. In here, if you are checking the condition, after that if it is true, then you are doing it again, it is coming to check the condition. If it is false, then you are going out from here. If it is false, then you are going out from here. That is called here while loop. How to represent while loop? If and else. If and else means what? Whenever you are checking a condition, if this is true, then do this. If this is false, then do this. After that, ultimately merge and then go to the next step. This is the way how you have to show that how to draw the flow graph. Flow graph drawing is very important. Without flow graph drawing, you cannot do statement coverage, branch coverage, path coverage. Until means what? Until means just like do while loop. Do while loop. Here is the do. Here is the condition. Do while loop is always going one time always, right? After that it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then it will do again. If the condition is false, then it will come out. This is the way how the do while is working. So how to represent these conditions in graph? Is this clear to you? Because we will draw, today we have to understand how to draw. Is this clear to everyone? All the loops are clear to everyone? Yes? All the loops are clear to everyone? Yes? UML diagram, no, it is not UML diagram. UML diagram is different and the flow chart is different. It's not UML diagram. Aruna, it's not UML diagram. UML diagram is different, flow graph is different. Flow chart, flow graph is the basic of programming. This is different. This is not as UML diagram. Now see how this will work. Yes. Now whenever you are writing a program, each and every statement of a program, like that, if I am writing if A greater than B, then printf A is greater. Okay, A is greater. Else printf B is greater. Like that, it is a small program. In this program, how many statements are there? This is one statement. You are checking condition if A greater than B. This is a condition. Print A is greater. That is a statement. This is statement 2. This is statement 1. This is statement 2. And in the else part, here whenever you are coming to the else part, in the else part you are going to execute this. That is statement number 3. Okay. This is statement number 3. So these are called statement. And statement coverage means in a program, whatever all the statements are there, we have to write the test cases. I have to write the test cases. Through the test cases, our target will be, am I able to execute all the statements? Am I able to execute all the branches? Am I able to execute all the path? So directly before theory, I am showing you a concept. In this concept, it will be clear. See that this is a program. Read P, read Q. Here you are taking input. This is a statement here. After that you are checking condition if P plus Q greater than 100. That is one condition here. Then we are printing large. That is another statement. End if, here if is ending. Then again another if is there. This if is checking P greater than 50. That is one statement. P large, that is another statement, and it is end if. Now we are going to convert this program into flow graph. How to convert it? See that. Here the input statement, this is statement number 1. After that you are checking this if condition. This is the if condition. It is statement number 2. After that you can see, here very careful. In the programming you can see when if is true, then only it is given large. But always remember, in the program whenever if condition is there, there will be two way. There will be always two way. One is true, another is false. One is true, another is false. Okay. In the program, maybe whenever if it is true, then it is there, the else part is not given. But at the time of drawing flow graph, always you have to take care of else part also. Whatever hidden possibilities are there in the program, Maybe in the program it is not there, because ultimately at the time of execution you have to execute it. In the program maybe it is not written, but whenever there is a condition it have two options, either true or false, and that's why you have to take the both, true, false, both. When it is true, then what to do? When it is false, then what to do? Two steps both you have to take. Okay, so that's why whenever it is true, yes, then it is going on that print large. Whenever this is a false, it was the false path. Here nothing was there but false path, we are taking it. After that here is another if condition, that is pre greater than. Here also only true part was there, false part is not there, but still I have to think about the false part also. Whenever it is true, then we are drawing print large. Whenever this is false, then we are coming out. Here it is nothing is there, but we have to think about false also. Got it? Yes. So in this program, how many statements are there? In this program, how many statements are there? How many statements are there in this program? Tell me how many statements are there in this program? Five statement. How many statements are there? How many statements are there? 5. Where is 2? Mukesh, Sri Ramaya, Lopa. Why 2? How many statements are there? There is statement number 1, statement number 2, statement number 3, statement number 4 and statement number 5. Total 5 statements are there. Not 8. Where you are getting 8, Deepa? 8, 3. Where you are getting Jaya Lakshmi? Where 3? Where 2? The boxes are the statement. The nodes are the statement. The nodes are the statements here. Okay. Here is the read. Read means what? You are taking input. This is one statement. How you are getting 8? No. Gomati. 8, 4. 5. Is this clear? All the nodes are your statement. Got it? Clear? Now tell me. Now our target is what? Now our target is their statement coverage. Now we will think about the statement coverage. So how I can cover all the statement? We have to think about a input value. What will be the input value of P and what will be the input value of Q, so that I can cover all the statement. Our target will be minimum number of what? How many number of test cases? Okay, because it is input, because together I am taking as a input. This is a input statement. It is one work. It is one same type of work. Take P, Q. These are the input you are taking. Okay, these are the input you are taking. That's why you can write it separately also. You can write it separately also. It's not mandatory that you have to write here only. You can do it ki read P, then read Q. That is also you can do. You can separate them. It's not a problem. If you want, you can separate them. That read P, after that read Q, then you can come to the condition. Then how many statement will be there? Then you have to count 7 here. Then you have to count 7 here. Dialog box is also statement. Dialog not. It is condition. It is condition. This is also statement. Here the printing going on. This is also statement. Here the condition going on. This is also statement. Here the print is going on. This is also statement. Okay. Okay, yes, you can add. It's your choice. It's your choice. If you want to make them separate, you can make. You can make. Okay, because number of statement is not a factor. How you are drawing the graph, rather if you can separate the statement, I will take 6 statement, you will take 7 statement, that is okay. But the thing is there about test case. We have to create test cases. State cases means I have to think about P value and Q value, so that I can execute all the statement. Value, what should be the value of P and Q, so that I can test all these line. Can I test all these line with one test case or 2 test case or 3 test case? How many test cases will be required? That is our target. Okay. Yes, I can see here LOPA is telling 60-50. So if I am taking P is 60 and Q is 50, according to LOPA, what will be happen? Input P, here this will be done. P plus Q greater than 100, this will be done. Whenever it is, yes, it is 110, right? It is greater than 100. Then it will print large. This statement is also covered here. After that, you are coming to this statement. P is greater than 50. Yes, P is greater than 50. Then you are coming to this one, that is print P large. Yes. So with one test case, how many test case we took? With only one test case only, I can cover all the statement here. By only one statement, by one test case, I can cover here all the statement. So my statement coverage will be, one here. That is called the statement coverage. Is this clear? How many test cases I have to write to cover all the statement? That is called statement coverage. I have written only one test case, and through this test case I can cover all this statement, and that's why my statement coverage is 1. Is this clear? Why my statement coverage is 1? Is this clear to everyone? Yes. Clear? Pakka? Sure? Sure? Pakka? Okay. So if I am adding here print small, then what you will do? Then how many test case will be required? If I am writing here that print small, then how many statement, what will be the statement coverage? I have written one extra statement here. According to the program, I have written one extra statement here. If I am adding this statement here in the program, large, then I am adding here else print small. If I am adding here one extra statement, then what will be the test case? You are telling that statement coverage will be then 2. Then what test case? Then tell me the test case. What will be the value of P and Q? Test case. What will be the value of P and Q test case? How many test cases will be required, and what will be the value then? What will be the test case? Acha, Deepa told that. Very good. Test case will be P equals to 30 and 20. Very good, Deepa. Yes. Then my test cases will be, this is one test case and this is another test case. I can take this type of two test cases. Value can be anything. My target will be P plus Q greater than 100. Anyhow, any test case I have to take. And another test case I have to take where P plus Q less than 100. Then I need two test cases. Then my statement coverage will be here 2. Right. Here if I am writing again else. If I am writing here else again, that P is small. Here may be another dialog box, another print I have written. Print P is small. Then how many test cases will be required? Then if I change the program again here, then how many test cases will be required? Tell me now. Now how many test cases are required? What will be the statement coverage now? Think. What will be the statement coverage now? I need answer from everyone. Geeta, how you are telling 1? Jayalakshmi 3. Geeta 1. Why? Shiny Shini Pooja. Shiny Pooja, I think. Pooja 4. 3, 4, 1. Why? Think logically. What is my target? My target will be minimum number of test cases so that I can cover all the statement. See that with this same test case I can cover this one. Only remaining was this one and this one. So this test cases can cover this one also and this one also. Is it or not? This same test case can cover this one also and this one also. So here also 2. Here also this 2 is sufficient. Here also this 2 is sufficient to cover all the statement. Why 4? My target is to cover all the statement here. All the statement in the program here, that is my target to cover. So if I am taking this test case and this test case, then I can cover all the statement. No problem here. So here also my statement coverage will be 2 only. Right? Yes. Here also my statement coverage is 2 only. Is it or not? Clear? Is this clear? Minimum test case means through which you are covering all the statement. That is called minimum test cases. Jyoti, you are late. Okay. Got it? How many? You have to think about the value. What value? You think about that I am a tester. You are a tester. You have to execute all the statement of the program. It is your target. You are a tester. Anyhow, you have to take some input value through which you can check and you can execute all the statement of the program. If you are able to execute all the statement of the program with one test case, then statement coverage is 1. If you are able to do with 2 test cases, then your statement will be 2. But target will be minimum number, because maximum to anything can be. Our target is minimum. What is the minimum number of statement are required? That is the statement coverage. Okay? ठीक है? Clear? Use red and another color pen also, ma'am. Acha. Okay, is it not visible? Clear now? Is this clear now? Okay. Achha, now tell me. Now I am erasing these all. What was previously, that is only here. Okay, what was ever previously, that is only here. Now my target is that what will be my branch coverage? What will be my branch? Branch means every branch you have to take care. Branch coverage means you have to take care of each and every branch. Branch means whenever there is a condition, then it is creating branches, right? Here is one branch, here is another branch. Here is one branch, here is another branch. So to cover all these branches, how many test case we have to create? Condition only statement coverage. Is it true, ma'am? We did till now statement coverage. Now our target is to do the branch coverage. Till now our target was statement coverage. Now our target is branch coverage. To cover the branches, how many test cases I have to take? That is our target. Now my target is to cover the branches. That is, this is one branch, this is another branch. This is one branch and this is another branch. From here you have created two branches, right? Here also you have created two branches. Now, is it 4 or 2? I can see Jivita is telling 2. Rishi 2. Sri Ramaya 4. Saranya 4. Deepa 2. 2 or 4? Ask yourself and lock kiya jaye. Is it lock kiya jaye? 2 or 4? Which one is confirmed? Tell me confirmly. 2 or 4? Which one is correct? 2. Pakka. Test cases. Rohit 4. Rohit, Lalita 4. NK 4. Acha. Statement coverage 2. Statement, no need to count statement. No need to count statement. Don't count statement. Don't confuse about statement. Just I was asking statement so that you can understand. Statement no need to count. Statement can be anything. It can change. 2, 4. Acha. So those who are 4 confirm. English সব ঠিক সায়েন্স বা ম্যাথ করুন ম্যাথটা করে নিন একটা ম্যাথ করুন Pakka. If I am telling it's 2, but your branch coverage is 2 only. Branch coverage is 2 only. Because why? It's not 4. It's not 4. With the same one, with the same test cases, with this one I can cover this branch and this branch. Our target is to cover this branch also and this branch also. And our target is to cover this branch also and this branch also, right? Okay. So whatever test case you took, that is 5, 60 and 50. So with 60 and 50, with P equals to 60 and Q equals to 50, I can cover this branch and I can cover this branch. These two branches are done. Now remaining is this 2 branch. So to cover this 2 branch, I will take that P equals to 20 and Q equals to 30. For that this branch will be also done and this branch will be also done. So my branch coverage will be 2 here. Okay. My statement coverage was 1 according to the program. In middle I changed the program, that's why it was coming 2. But according to the original program, according to the original question, statement coverage is 2 here. Right? And branch coverage is, branch means the decision you take the process in the flow graph. If you consider the 2, then here the 2 test cases are required to cover the branches. This is one branch. From here you are getting one branch completely, you are able to cover, and from here you are able to cover another branch. So branch coverage is 2 here. Is this clear? Yes. Clear? Is this clear? Clear to everyone? Yes. Okay. Acha. Now tell me, you have to think about path. Now tell me, what will be the path coverage? What will be the path coverage? The meaning of path coverage means, what is the meaning of path? Start to end. Starting to ending, how many ways are there? How many ways are there means how many routes are there to reach from start to end. And you have to cover all those ways. You have to create the test cases to cover all those ways. That is called statement coverage. This is called path coverage. Tell me now, how many ways are there? From start to end, how many ways are there? And for that, how many test cases will be required? So what will be path coverage? Yes, everyone is telling 4. Is it sure? 4 पक्का लॉक किया जाए? 4 लॉक किया जाए पक्का? Yes, sure. Okay, chalo. So yes, 4 is the correct answer. Very good everyone. Here the 4 is the correct answer. Because why? How I can reach from start to end, that I told, right? So this is one way. This is one way from start to end. This is one way. Another way is this one. This is another way. Start to end. This is another way. What are the 2 more ways? Yes, 2 more ways are also there. One more way is like this. I can come here, then I can go here. This is one more way. Another more way is like this way. That is like this. I can come here. I can come like this. ম্যাচ করতে হয় গুড করবো এখানে বসে করবো তারপরে তো আমরা ঘুরতে যাবো করে নিয়ে যাও মন দিয়ে করে নিয়ে যাও ক্লিয়ার clear 4 is this clear 4 paths are there 4 paths are there not about test case yes definitely about test case these are the 4 paths I have to cover all the 4 paths now tell me what will be the test cases Now tell me what will be the test cases? What should be the value? What should be the value for PQ? All the test cases. What will be the value for the red color? For the red color, what will be the test case? What will be the value for P and what will be the value for Q? For the rate path, what will be the test case? Tell me. What will be the test case for the rate path? How you can cover the rate path, rate route, the rate route? What should be the value for PQ so that you can cover the rate route? Think it. You have to cover the rate route. So what will be the value? Yes, 70-60. Pooja, yes, you are correct. 70-60. Good. Tell me, what should be the value for the green? What should be the value for the green route? PQ. What should be the value for green route? 60-50, 70-60, 70-50, everything will be correct. Very good. For the red route, ultimately you have to take P plus Q greater than 100. Any value, what is giving you P plus Q greater than 100, and P should be also greater than 50. Whenever you are going to red route, then P plus Q should be greater than 100 and P should be greater than 50 also. Now 40-70, yes, very good. 40-70, P plus Q should be greater than 100 but P should be less than 50. This is another test case. Very good. Now tell me, what should be the blue test case? What should be the test case for blue? What should be the test case for blue? What will be the value for P and Q? What should be the value for P and Q? Blue, I am asking blue. Blue, what should be the blue? Blue 30-40, okay, good. 30-40, yes, correct. Because P plus Q less than 100 and P value is also less than 50. So 30-40, good. And yellow, last one, the yellow one. Yellow one, what should be the value for P and what should be the value for Q? Yellow, what should be the value for yellow? What should be the value for yellow? Yellow 60-50, where 60-50 no. No, 60-50 no. Lopa 60-20, very good. Deepa 60-30, yes, 60-30 Deepa, that is good. 60-30, good. Yellow line should be P plus Q less than 100 and P should be greater than 50. P plus Q should be less than 100 and P should be greater than 50. Very carefully you have to think. So 60-30. So these are the 4 test cases. Is this clear? Why the path coverage is 4? Why? Is this clear? Yes. Is this clear? Yes. Got it? Clear? Is this clear to everyone? Okay. Yes. How to find the value? Jyoti, how to find the value? Just simply think that whenever I take the red color, red path means how to find that red color was like that. P plus Q should be greater than 100 and P should be greater than 50. That was one test case. When I took the green test case, what was the green test case? Green test case was like that. Keep P plus Q should be greater than 100 and P should be less than 50. That was my green path, right? What was my blue path? What was my blue path? My blue path was P plus Q less than 100 and P should be less than 50. That was my blue path. And my yellow path was P plus Q less than 100 and P should be greater than 50. This is the way we have to think about the test cases, right? Then only I can cover all the path. There is no other option. So any value, this is the 40, 70, it's not mandatory. You can take any value which is satisfy this condition. These are all the AND condition. Both you have to satisfy. Then only you can cover all the path. So that's why path coverage is 4. Is this clear to everyone? Why the path coverage is 4? And these are the paths, right? Whenever I am writing the path, these are the paths. 1A, 2B, E, 4F, these are the paths here. These are the paths. Got it? Yes. Okay. Branch coverage, same way. You have to think about this branch and this branch. And I have to think about this branch and this branch. There was ultimately two branches when you have to cover the two branches, right? So if you are thinking about this branch, I am trying to cover this branch. So for this branch I can take the value P equals to 60 and Q equals to 50. That will be sufficient. If I am thinking about this branch, another branch, this is one branch and this is another branch. So if I am thinking about this two branch, then what will be the value? P equals to, maybe I can take 40 and Q equals to 30. So this 2 will be sufficient to cover the branches. It's not the path, it is branch. Branch means when you are dividing in two parts. From here you have divided it into two parts. From here also you have divided into two parts. So total actually two branches are there. You can see decision is that take process. For example, here there are two branches. You have to cover all branches with the flow graph. Here with these two test cases only you can create. Ultimately here two branches, here is two branches. Total 4 branches are there. Okay. Clear? Yes. Is this lecture useful for Maharashtra Nagar Parishad JEIT? If software engineering is there in syllabus, then definitely it is useful. If software engineering is in your syllabus, whatever exam you are preparing, if software engineering is there, then definitely you can follow. Definitely. It is the software engineering class going on, Govind. Okay. Whatever exam it is, if you check your syllabus, if the software engineering is there, then definitely you can do. Clear? Yes. So finally your answer is this. This is your answer. Statement coverage is 1 and branch coverage is 2 and path coverage is 4. Okay. Chalo. So now see that. Now we will see that the percentage. Percentage means here in this statement here, if I am covering like that, you can see they are covering 1A, 2B and E and 4F. So means they are going through this way, 1A, 2B, E and 4F. Means maybe they took P equals to 30 and Q equals to 50. In this test case, how many statement we cover? In this test case, how many statement we cover? 1, 2, 3. Total 3 statement you can cover in this test case. Out of total 5. Total number was 5. Out of 5 you are able to cover only 3 test cases. 3 statement. So that's why for this test case, which is covering only this route, what is the percentage of the coverage? The percentage of the coverage is here 60%. That's why here percentage of the coverage is 60%. Okay, clear? Clear? Okay, after here now 45 days crash course is going on. So after completion of this crash course, I am going to start the PYQS. Okay, as you are asking about PYQS, there is a course, upcoming course. I am designing the course. So the course fee I will tell you now. Don't try to take that. As the work is going on, that's why I put the course fee very high. So because my testing is going on, don't take it now. But you can see in the app already I am working on PYQS and MCQ course. I hope by next week we can start the PYQS and MCQ course. Okay, by next week I can start the PYQS MCQ course, and in this PYQS MCQ course I will cover the UGC NET question and all the set exam like Telangana set, West Bengal set, K set. Mainly these are the set exams are coming in the month of November and December. So my target will be to cover those all the PYQS and UGC NET PYQS plus some PhD entrance and GATE PYQS also. So in that way I am preparing the PYQS and MCQ course. My target will be October and November. Within first week of October I am trying to start the course. I hope in the last week of this month also I can start. I am waiting for some development, and if whenever that will be done, then I will start the course, and it will be a maybe 2-month course, October November. Complete October and November it will be a 2-month course, and in this 2-month course I will cover this. Okay, now no need to take, because now the testing is going on. It will show you 20,000. Don't worry, 20,000 will be not the amount, as I am testing, so that's why I keep the amount, so that no one will going to take it. Whenever my testing will be done, then I will publish the course publicly and I will inform you. Within next week we hope our all the feature will be live. We are working on it. Then you can go for the course. I will fix the very minimum cost so that you all can avail the course. Okay, so that you all can avail the course. Okay. Okay, to cover software engineering just crash course enough. Here I am trying to cover everything. I was trying hardly to study about coverage. Yes. Thank you. It's my pleasure when you are. It will be paid. AP set. AP set also I will cover. AP set. Send me the question paper if you have the question paper. I have Telangana question paper, West Bengal question paper, K set question paper. AP set question paper I don't have. If you have the AP set question paper, send me. I will try to take. Okay. Yes. So that's why here the 60%, is this 60% clear? Is this 60% clear? How it is 60%? Why it is 60%? Why it is 60%? Is this clear? Out of how many statement you are able to cover how many statement? When you are covering this path, then ultimately you are covering all. That is 5 out of 5. That's why it is 100%. But here you are covering 3 out of 5. That's why it is 60%. Yes. Yes. So now here it is branch coverage. Branch coverage means when I am covering this path, when I am covering only this path, then what is my branch coverage? Then my branch coverage is 2 by 4, because total 4 branches are there. This is one branch, this is another branch, this is one branch, this is another branch. Total 4 branches are there. Out of 4 you are covering 2 branches, this branch and this branch. That's why here branch coverage is 2 by 4, that is 50%. Very carefully understand it. Very carefully understand it. WB set I know. WB set question I have, I already prepared that. WB set, Telangana set, K set, Maharashtra set with me. I saw that. Maharashtra set question paper also ready. Almost. Telangana set also ready. West Bengal also ready. AP set question paper I don't have. AP set I will try to collect. I will try to collect the AP set. Okay. TS set October 24th. Acha, I will plan like that. Then today is 24th October, right? Okay, before 24th October I will try to cover the syllabus. I will try to cover the PYQs also. Okay. Okay. So see, here is this clear? Why 50% is this clear? Next one is the path coverage. Here whenever you are covering this path, then it is 1 by 4. Very careful. There was total 4 path, because here there was 4 color. Out of the 4 color, whenever you are covering only the blue color, that is actually 1 by 4. And that's why this is 25%. Very carefully understand, guys. The same line I am taking, and our test case is same. Here also the test case was 30, 50. Here also if I am taking 30 and 50. Here also if I am taking 30 and 50. But our percentage of statement coverage, path coverage, branch coverage is different. Very carefully concentrate here. Here the statement coverage is 60%. Here the branch coverage is 50%. Here the path coverage is 25%. Why it is this clear? High chance in UGC NET they are asking 10 marks question, right? Comprehension type question from one topic they are asking in UGC NET. It is a highly expected area from where you can get the 10 marks question. Highly expected. I am always telling the student. It is a highly expected area. 10 marks question easily can be asked from this area. Okay? Clear? Is this clear? Yes. Clear to everyone? K-set also I will cover. In the month of October this course is ending. Our target is within 31st of October I will cover this course. That is our target, right? So after that totally month of November I will focus on your all the set question paper. I will run the series for the set question paper. Okay. Unit wise PDF is available on Unify Study app. You can go to Unify Study app. PDF I am uploading there with the name of crash course. You can see that name, and it is a 999 rupees you have to pay. If you are paying that 999 rupees every day, whatever class is going on here for this 45 days crash course, class is free of cost. But if you want to downloadable PDF, printable PDF, then you can buy, you can purchase this course and you can get Manju. You can go to Unify Study app. There you can see the crash courses there. There I am uploading all the PDF. Whatever class is going on here, you can download the PDF from that course. Regularly I am uploading there. Swati also, I told that. Here you can go to this app. This is the Unify Study app. You can see this app. I hope you can see now. It is Unify Study app, and in this app, if you go to the paid course, then you can see the 45 days crash course. You can go to the recorded part. In the recorded part, you can come to here. You can see that PDFs are available. Here I am uploading the PDF. You can click on PDF. Here you can click and you can download, export everything. And here also graph theory. I have already uploaded the complete graph theory. Here also set and relation. I have already uploaded the set and relation. This is the way you can avail this. This is the paid course. Here if you come, it will ask you 999. Live class is not there, recorded all the classes I am giving here. And test series also I am attaching here for UGC NET PYQS. Test series also here. You can avail that. Okay. This is the thing. I hope it was visible. Got it? This is the way you can handle. Clear? Okay. Unit wise only I am telling you guys. That is only I showed. I hope it was visible, right? It was visible. You were able to see it or not? You was able to see that what I was showing? Yes. So in the app you can avail it. Okay. So here now do this question. Now do this question. Do this one. Do this question. What will be the answer for this question? Okay, answers are coming. I can see Lopa, Bishoppriya, Neir, SK Neir is giving answer. I need answer from everyone. Everyone should answer. You should try and you should answer. Everyone. Sri Ramaya is answering. Gita answering. Prathiva, Usha Nandini. Then all are answering now. Very good, everyone. Your answer will be option A. That is the correct answer. You are correct here. Here answer is option A. How to do that? See. Here it was programming, right? Your programming was like this. Now from the programming, this is the programming. From the programming you have to draw the graph. You have to draw the graph, okay? Here whenever you are drawing the graph, boolean A, boolean B, boolean C, boolean D. Yes. So boolean A, boolean B, boolean C, boolean D. Here what are the, this is the inputs. I am doing answer equals to 1. This is one statement. If, here if A, this is a condition. Whenever you are writing if, you have to go about true and false. Two classes. So two is two options are there. Whenever it is true, if answer, then I am doing answer equals to 2. So this is answer equals to 2. Else if means whenever it is false, then I am coming to this condition else if. If it is true, then we will draw this answer equals to 3. When it is false, then in the else if part, this is C. If C, then inside that again if D, whenever it is true, but the else part was not given. But I have to take care of the else part also. Here also for these else parts was not given, but I have to take care about else part also. Always you have to be very strong about programming. That's why programming is the basic. You have to be very strong about programming. If means else part should be there, and which if is nested if. Outside one if, inside another if. That is going on here. So now you are able to draw the flow chart. Your flow chart is done, and everyone is ultimately return answer. So that's why everyone is mixing with ending with the return answer. Everyone is returning answer. This is my flow chart. In the flow chart, my question was what will be the statement coverage. Easy way you can see that. Easy way was there, that statement. This is, you can see how many lines I have to draw. Same way you can think like that, how many test cases I required. How many test cases will be required to cover all this statement. Okay, so test cases are what? First of all, I need one test case. I need one test case where if A is true, A should be 1, then I will give it. I need another test case when A should be false, B should be true for this one. I need another test case when A is false, B is false, C is true, then I can go for this one. So at least I need 3 test cases to cover all the statement. So that's why statement coverage will be 3 here. What will be the branch coverage? These 2 branches are remaining, you can see. This branch is remaining and this branch is remaining till now. I did not cover. With these 3 test cases, you are not covering this else part and you are not covering this else part. When C will be 0, that is false, you have to take care. When D will be 0, that is also you need to take care, right? So for that you need more 2 test cases. That's why you need 5 test cases here to cover all the branches. So that's why your statement coverage will be going through this all the statement, that is 3 minimum test cases. you have to go through this all this, that is the 5 minimum test cases. You can draw line. If your flow chart is correct, then just by draw line. I explain you with the test cases so that ultimately the inner meaning you can understand, and in exam hall they can ask you the test case also. But if they are asking only statement coverage, only branch coverage, then you can see how many lines I have to cover. Minimum number of line to draw to cover all the statement, that will be my statement coverage. So that's why here your statement coverage is 3 and branch coverage is 5. Is this clear to everyone? Is this clear to everyone? Yes or no? Clear? Pakka? Clear? 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 I am not getting your chat box. Answer in chat box. And those who are watching, please click on like button. Your like give me positive vibration. You know that whenever you like the class, then I am getting some positive vibration. I am getting some energy. Your like is my energy, right? You are giving like, I am getting energy. Okay. Arey yaar. Clear. Very good. So the exhaustive test case. What is called exhaustive test case? Exhaustive test case means whenever you are exhausted. It's the exhausted. Exhausted means all possible combination. You have to think about all possible combination. Whenever you are thinking about all possible combination, that is called exhaustive test case. You are giving a password with 3 digit password, but there is how many letter? There are three alphabet, not digit, 3 alphabet. There are how many alphabet? Total 26 alphabets are there. And if you are repeating is allowed, then how many combinations will be possible? How many permutations are possible? 26 multiply 26 multiply 26. You have to draw this many test cases. Is it possible? This many test cases you have to design. That is called exhaustive. All possible combination. If you are including all the special character, number, alphabet, everything, then 25 to 56 combinations are there. So that's why 256, 256, 256, this many test cases I have to draw. So this is called exhaustive test case. In this question, according to this question, how many variables are there? 4 variables. A, B, C, D. All are what type? Boolean. 0 or 1, 0 or 1, 0 or 1, 0 or 1. This is only the possibility. And we know that here it is 2 to the power n. That is 2 to the power 4 number of possibilities will be there in your truth table. How many combinations are possible? 16 combinations will be possible. So that's why here your exhaustive test case will be 16 here. And statement coverage is 3, branch coverage is 5. So your answer will be 16, 3 and 5. Is this clear? Yes. Why it is? I hope it is clear. Okay. Now do the cyclomatic complexity. As I told, yes, today we will do the cyclomatic complexity also. So the cyclomatic complexity, what is called cyclomatic complexity? It is related to path. How many independent paths are there? That is called cyclomatic complexity. How many independent paths are there? That is called only cyclomatic complexity. Okay. So here the cyclomatic complexity means the measurement is nothing but the quantitative indication of the size, dimension, capacity, attribute, product, and this is the quantitative and schedule. Here whenever we are going for cyclomatic complexity, then quantitative measure of independent path. Just now we count how many paths are there. So it is also counting the number of paths. How many independent paths are there? That is called your cyclomatic complexity, nothing else. Okay. So here whenever you are doing the cyclomatic complexity, there are three equations, formula. Any one of them you can apply. Here also you have to draw the flow graph. By drawing flow graph you can check that how many edges are there, how many vertices are there. Number of edges in graph theory we learn from the planar graph. This is you learn in the planar graph, right? We did it in the planar graph. So same, this is the planar graph only, because we saw that number of region equals to, as per the planar graph, E minus n plus 2. So from there only this concept came, because the cyclomatic complexity is equals to always number of region. That is also we did inner region plus outer region. Inner plus outer, both region is equals to E minus n plus 2, right? So this is E minus n plus 2. Either you can count number of region or you can count number E plus minus n plus 2. Whenever the flow graph is given to you, then you can either go for this one or you can go for this one. If the programming is given to you and they are asking that what is the cyclomatic complexity, then best way is this, go for this one. Best way is go for this one, because P means the number of predicate node. Predicate node means actually the number of conditions. How many conditions are there? If, else, while, these are the conditions. Just check that in the program how many conditions are there. By checking the condition you can do the answer. Check the program how many conditions are there and do the answer. That is the easiest way to do the answer. Okay. So these are the three formulas. Wherever whatever formula will be good, you can apply that formula for the cyclomatic complexity. Tell me, what is the cyclomatic complexity for this one? Tell me, what will be the cyclomatic complexity for this program? What will be the cyclomatic complexity for this program? Three, 4. Deepa is telling 3. Sithal 4. Pratibha 4. 4, 4, 4. So all are telling 4. How many conditions are there? Here you can see one condition. P means how many conditions are there? One condition. Here another condition 2. Here another condition 3. Total 3 conditions only we are able to see, right? Total 3 conditions. So our answer was 3 plus 1. Is it matching? Is it matching here or not? Check that. How many regions are there? This is one region. This is another region. This is another region. This is another region. So number of region is 4 here. Right? So answer is 4. You including E minus n plus 2 if I am doing. Number of edges. E means number of edges. Total edge, how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 edges are there. How many nodes are there? Total 7 nodes. Plus 2, that's why 4. P plus 1 already we count. How many predicate nodes are there? That is 3 plus 1. And how many region? We can see the number of region is also 4. So all are matching. According to this formula also it is matching. According to this formula also it is matching. According to region also it is matching. So answer will be 4. So what are the path? 4 means how many independent paths are there? Independent paths are what? Directly 1 to 7. This is one path. Another path is like that. I can go to 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 2, 2 to 6, 6 to 1 and 7. This is one. Another one is this one. Another one is this one. These all the possibilities are there. In these all possibilities I can reach to my start to end. That is my cyclomatic complexity. And which one is the lowest one? Smallest one is this one. Largest one is this one. In the largest independent path, how many nodes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Largest independent path, you have 9 nodes. Okay. We have to include loop also. Loop not. Condition. 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 Here, this is a condition. This is a condition. This is a condition. You are checking something. I less than n minus 1. It is a condition. J less than n. It is a condition. AI less than AJ. It is a condition. How many times you are checking? That is called condition, right? Okay. So here answer is 9. Is this clear? Although 1 you are repeating 2 times, you have to count 2 times. 2 you are repeating 2 times, you have to count 2 times. You have to count it 2 times. So number of node in the largest independent path will be here 9. Can I ask question? Do the question. This is the 2019 they asked 5 question, that is 5 into 2, 10 marks. 10 marks they asked from this area. That's why I am telling it is very important. You can get 10 marks question from here. So already they asked 10 marks question in 2019 and it is the previous year's question. UGC NET question. This is UGC NET. UGC NET PYQS 2019. Do it. Okay, option 3, 4. Yes, option 4 is the correct answer. How many regions? Just now you can check. Outside always count. Those who are telling 3 they are wrong. Always count the outside also. Inner there are 3, outer there is 1, that is 4. Now do this. Do this one. Do this one. How many nodes are there in longest independent path? Option 8 is the answer. Option 3 is the answer. Option 3, not option 4. Not option 4. Option 8. Option 3 is the answer. Because the longest independent path is this one. 1 node, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't be confused. 2, 3. Don't count 2 times. It is 1 node only. Node means circle. By purposefully they are giving this type of question to confuse you. 2, 3 you will count 2 times. No. Here it is a common node. The name is 2, 3. Here the name is 4, 5. You have to count only one time, not two times. Those who are writing 9, they are wrong. No, they are wrong. Very careful here. Kartika, Parul, Swati M. You all are wrong. Okay. One time only they are giving this way so that you will be confused and your marks will be 0. These are the trap of the examiner. Don't go in the trap. These are the trap. They are giving this number to confuse you. Nodes means circle are the nodes. Edge means the lines are the edge. Just count that how many circles are there, how many edges are there. Circle or like this, anyone. Either it can be circle or it can be like this. Okay, so don't be confused. Here 8 is the longest independent path. How many nodes are there? Now do this answer. What will be the answer for this? What will be the answer? You have not count 5. Where? Why I will count 5? The longest independent path it is asking. Why I have to count 5? 4 and 5 is here. It is not here. This is the longest one. You have to think about the longest one. Which one is the longest one? You have to think about the longest one. The longest path is this one. This is your longest path. Longest path means starting to ending. 1, 2, 3, then 6, then 7, then 9, then 10, then 1, then again 11. That is one longest path. Another longest path is this one. Another longest path is 1, then 2, 3, then 6, then 8, then 8, then 9, then 10, then again 1, then again 11. You have to think about the longest independent path. The 4, 5 was here, but it is not the longest one. These two are the longest one. These two are the longest one. In the longest independent path, how many nodes are there? So in the longest one, 4, 5 is not coming. Why I will count 5? Why I will count 5? Parul, is it clear? Is it clear? Path, independent path means starting node, start to end. From start you have to do and you have to go to end. That is called independent path. Okay. So how many predicate nodes are there? Answer was coming. Option 1 is the correct answer. Very good. Because predicate node means conditional node, right? Condition means easy one. Two way. Two outgoing arrow. More than one outgoing arrow means that is a conditional node. If true, false. So more than one outgoing arrow are there, that is called conditional node. Okay. So here outgoing arrow, here another outgoing arrow. Here one, here another. So this is a conditional node, this is a conditional node. This is also a conditional node. Two outgoing arrows are there. In 1 also, 2, 3 also, 6 also. So that's why there are 3 conditional nodes. 1, 2, 3 and 6. 3 conditional nodes are there. So answer will be this one. Okay. Now tell me what will be the answer for this. Yes, definitely. Just now you saw that cyclomatic complexity means how many regions are there. Just now you count the number of predicate nodes, 3 plus 1, that is 3 plus 1 will be 4. So anyhow your cyclomatic complexity will be 4 only. That is the answer. Very good. So how many nodes are there in the flow graph? How many nodes are there in the flow graph? This is the last question, I think. 19. Where you got 19? Aruna, where you got 19? Where you got 19? So here answer will be 9 definitely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the 9. So answer will be 9 only. So this is your answer. Clear? Yes. Good. Very good. Chalo. So this is a home task for you. Same type of question. You can do it. Just now we did it. Sorry. We did this one, right? Answer. This is we did just now. This one. This one you can try. You can try this one. This is a home task. Okay. This is a home task. This is a home task. This one. This one is the home task. You can try this home task. You can try this home task. This is a home task. Same type, same way you can do. Little bit different program it is. You can draw the flow graph and you can try. Okay. Why not 10 predicate? 10. Where you got 10? Here. 10 to there is one incoming, another outgoing arrow. Here check very carefully. In 10, one is incoming arrow, another is outgoing arrow. Condition means 2 outgoing arrow. Here it is one incoming, another outgoing. Condition means 2 possibilities. Condition means here you are checking a condition. If true then do this, if false then do this. That is 2 outgoing arrow. Here this is one incoming, one outgoing. That's why it is not the predicate node. Got it? Only outgoing, not incoming. More than one. Predicate node means more than one. More than one outgoing arrow. Outgoing arrow. That is called the predicate. Means it is actually the conditional node. Conditional node are called the predicate nodes. ठीक है? Clear? चलो. Bye everyone. Bye. See you again tomorrow. See you again tomorrow. And I do the home task. Tomorrow morning class will be there. Tomorrow morning will be also very important class, that is Boolean algebra and propositional logic MCQ PYQS question, PYQS and MCQ practice session. Must join tomorrow morning 5:30 AM class is there. Okay, and those who are searching for PDF, you can go to Unify Study app. Unify Study, you are searching Unify Study app in Play Store. You can search in Play Store. It is available in Play Store. And those who are using the app, please rate and review, comment. Please rate, review and comment in the Play Store. You can go to the Play Store. You can download the app and you can see the crash course is available there. That is 999 rupees. Class is same. It is free of cost. Those who are asking for PDF, if you need that complete PDF, subject wise, topic wise, whatever is going on here, for PDF, if you do the payment 999 rupees, in the app only you will get the PDF. You can download the PDF and you can print the PDF, you can utilize the PDF. That is the option, you can go for it. Okay, bye. ठीक है? Yes. Time? No, 5:30. Tomorrow 5:30 a.m. class is there. Tomorrow 5:30 a.m. class is there. And those who already you have PDF, no need to pay. Okay, ठीक है? Paper 1 class not there today. Paper 1 will be tomorrow. Paper 1 Monday. Tulasi ma'am will not take class today. Tulasi ma'am is busy. Tomorrow she will take the class. Okay, bye everyone.